Don't put it up until I'm ready. You're gonna be fired. You wanna be fired? Okay, I'll be still. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, and this is my sister Krista.
Hello.
Today we're going to show you our Ipsy Glam bags for November and see who got the best bag.
Yay!
If you are not familiar with the Ipsy Glam bag, it is a $14 a month subscription plus a $1.99 handling or some kind of fee. I don't really think it's shipping. I'm not sure. But anyway, it comes out to be around $17. We also got some add-ons in here. So we're going to show you what we each picked, show you what we got in our bags, and show you what we added on. As we go through this, will you please comment what you got in your bags that is different than ours or the same as ours and what you like best? I would love to know. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you like this video. And if you don't want to miss out on future uploads, hit that notifications bell. My bag is a bag within a bag. So
Yeah.
I'll let Krista show you her bag while I dig mine out.
How pretty this is. It's a nice faux snake print. And look at the pull tab. I mean, this is a nice bag.
Is it kind of purpley?
No, it's silver.
Just silver.
Yeah, it is. Y'all are gonna love this bag. And it's it's a zipper, great pull. And look, see the stuff inside, and then the pink lining. It's the beautiful.
It's very pretty.
Purpley pink.
Ooh. Hey, you guys, we might be smart this time and use our cards all the way through the video.
You never know.
You never know. Oh, I got information on mine. We both got product information.
Now to enlarge it so we can
We
read
did
it.
get the same bag. Two of my products did not fit inside my bag. So
Everybody gets the same bag.
don't do videos with your sister. Okay, so again, both got the same bag. We can show you what we got. We both got this, which is
Yeah, it was outside the bags that didn't fit, but it's a really nice
what's the brand?
bot.
BYOD blush brush.
BYOD.
Ooh, it's a blush brush.
Ooh,
That is
It's
nice.
soft. It's
And
soft.
I love the size of the handle. It's
Yeah.
a good size handle.
It'll look.
It's got a good weight to it,
nice.
too. It doesn't feel like a crummy
No.
brush.
It's nice.
Okay, so these are $18.
So not bad.
Yeah, nice. And I like that it comes with the little thingy to keep it from...
So till you're ready to use it,
Yeah.
keep the bristles nice and fresh looking. So
Because if you get a lot of subscription boxes, you're going to have a lot of extra brushes. So this is now on standby with some other brushes. $18 though, that's the price of the bag in one brush.
Yeah.
And brushes, good brushes are expensive
yeah.
on their own.
they are.
There are cheap brushes in the world. I've got a bunch of cheap brushes, but I can tell you the good brushes are better. So
Yeah.
I still use my cheap ones, but I do like the nice ones. Okay, what's your next? You want to do the next product?
So let's see. Let me find my pick. So what I picked is Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Gloss. Look at that.
That is like crystal clear.
Crystal clear.
Does it go on sticky?
That's what I'm trying to find out. But I love how clear it is.
It is pretty.
It feels like a little sticky, but it's also smooth. But
Does it smell nice?
just
It's a little sticky.
But I still like her stuff. But I don't mind it being a little sticky.
That's nice.
And this is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $20. I'm guessing this is, if it's not half, it's almost half. So
Yeah.
this is a good size product. And
Yeah, it's good.
And so like I like having a nice gloss on hand to go put over something.
My pick was the Formula Z. These are the Cryo Lift eye masks. You get 2 sets.
That's
They're
not
really
bad.
pretty
You get, instead of
packaging.
just one, you get 2.
Yeah, I didn't realize you get 2 sets of it. So 2 sets of eye masks. There wasn't, other than the Anastasia and this, there wasn't a lot of like picks that either one of us were in love with. And I am always working on reducing the wrinkles under my eyes. So I thought I would try these and see if they work. So
And then you got 2 pairs, so you can,
And yeah, I got
if it
2
works,
pairs.
you got another one to try.
yeah, I like that. So, and I like the holographic.
I do too.
Pretty.
It is pretty.
What's your next item?
So next, I have Huda Beauty One Coat Wow Mascara.
Ooh.
Beautiful, hot
That's a
pink.
fat tube too.
And it's a fat tube. Yeah, this will last a long time. Like, y'all know, I love travel size mascaras. I could try a bunch of different brands.
Ooh.
Look at the nice bristles on this.
Nice.
Really nice bristles. And that way I can try a lot of different brands without having to pay the money for them and go back and forth. So if I like someone that's a little bit more casual, that doesn't blonde real thick, and another one that maybe makes longer for a nice time evenings out or something.
And these minis have helped us figure out which
hot pink.
mascaras we absolutely hate before we buy a full size of it.
Exactly.
It's nice.
So this is going good.
Yes, okay, now I'm digging in my bag. That was everything that was outside my bag. I got a gloss bomb, a Fenty Beauty gloss bomb, and I'm guessing this is a lip gloss.
Ooh, another gloss. What
I feel like
shade
I'm
does it come
sitting
in?
kind of far away from the camera today, but there you go. Fenty gloss bomb.
What's the color on the lid? Say?
Oh, it does have the color. Let's see what it looks like.
And I like Fenty's lip
Yeah.
glosses.
Oh, it's pretty.
Oh, I like
It's
it.
kind of an apricot.
Oh,
I
it
love
is, 'cause
that.
the last one we got, I don't know if it was Ipsy or another bag was a trial size, and it was a pink that I've been wearing with some
Looks
pink
good
sweaters,
on
and it's
Oh,
wonderful.
that is a nice fat doe foot. Look at that. I love that.
Yeah, and now they have a apricot colored one for it's great for fall. Look at that.
Oh, it is super glossy, and it's
oh,
not.
that's nice. And it's not
yeah.
be a nice everyday. Throw it on, go to work, go out shopping.
I like
Look.
that it's color, but it's not globs of color, so you can get a little bit if you want, or you can put it over a similar color and get it.
Exactly. If you have like a matte lipstick that's kind of like this color, put this on to change it a little bit, give it a little gloss. Perfect combination.
I like it, and it is also sticky, but a gloss is going to be sticky. Ooh, it smells like fruit.
Oh, that smells good.
That smells really good. Oh my goodness, smells really good. I love that.
Yeah.
I want perfume that smells like that. Yeah, that I love. Love
That is nice. And I like her the liquid lipstick sample that I have. I'm gonna probably buy the full size of it when I run out because I like it that much.
Okay, and this is a deluxe sample. The full size of this is 9 milliliters at $20, and this is a 2 milliliter size. So this is a deluxe sample. But like she said about the lip gloss, if you get a lot of different colors, you don't necessarily want a giant one of every single color because they'll go bad or get messed up before you get to finish it, or you lose it and lose the product. But a small one's always a perfect one.
And throw it in your purse. It doesn't take up a lot of space.
Like it.
Good. Yes. Okay, so let's see what's next. This is a Goldfaden MD Eye Defy Radiance Restoring Eye Treatment. It's a deluxe sample. The full size is $85, which is 15 mil.
And I can tell you from the light for the camera, there's only that much product in it.
So it'll give you opportunity to try it maybe for a couple weeks to
With
see.
the eye cream, you don't need a ton anyway.
So yeah, it doesn't have a lot in it, but it has enough to try it and see how your eyes react to it, which I've found with the samples of different eye creams. I've seen differences from ones that like make my eyes look, I can see a good difference within a few days, and others that it doesn't seem to make much of a difference except add some nourishment. So it's another good way without spending a lot of money to try different ones.
And I've been really impressed with the few Goldfaden MD products that I've had. I've even bought add-ons of the lip treatment. I love it. Okay, so my next one is from Femu, and this is Brilliant Cleansing Gel. So this is a cleansing, there's a serious glare. This is a cleansing gel from Femu. This is the trial size. The full size is 125 milliliters for $52, I think. And this one is 15 mil. So smaller than the normal size, but it's just a cleansing gel, and it's a good size to take.
Yeah.
We've said before, if you're just even traveling across town or traveling across the country, take smaller sizes. It makes it easy. Plus, you can try the smaller sizes first and see how you like them before you buy the full size, which is really the intention of this, to give you, Ipsy wants to give you smaller sizes. You pay very little for a lot of different trial sizes and sample sizes. You get to try it before you have to go in all full price on it, and it's more than just a little foil size like you can get at the department store. Oh yeah, let me see if it smells. It smells like medicine.
Eucalyptus.
Yeah. What
has
is
an
in
herbal scent.
Let me read about it, what it actually says.
So that's very
I'm gonna
herbal.
put this on so I can see better. This gentle botanical-based gel cleanser is slightly acidic to keep your skin's pH level in check. It's also formulated with nutrient-rich blueberry extract to wash away oil, dirt, and pollution without stripping your skin's natural oils, while the floral scent helps lift your mood and calm your mind. Very nice.
So it's a nice aromatherapy face wash.
Yeah, and
it smells nice.
It smells good.
But it's very...
I dropped the lid. It does smell really nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay, so this is my last item.
Oh, I forgot about that one. I'm excited.
commodity juice perfume sample.
We've only ever in our lives gotten the commodity milk one from
and we-
anything we've gotten it from, and we can't use it.
Right, it's not one that I can wear. So we're excited to get to try this one. This is a deluxe sample.
Okay, so this one's a 5 ml. The 100 ml size is $150.
So this puts a good value on even
Yeah.
on 5 mil. So I'm excited to try a different one compared to the other ones that we can't wear.
How does it smell?
Ooh,
We're gonna spray it in the box just in case.
it has a nice fragrance note.
There we go.
Mmm. Oh.
Ooh, I like
Oh, I like this one.
it. It's nice.
Oh, what does it say about this?
Spray it on your arm and see how it changes.
Oh, yeah.
Always got to spray one on yourself just to make sure. Spray it by itself first, but then if you like it, make sure how it smells
Let me let
on
that-
your skin.
Okay, the fresh scent will have your mouth watering just thinking about it. Perfectly ripe strawberry, rhubarb, and raspberry pulp are blended together until
Wow.
smooth with a base of amberwood to create a fruity and juicy fragrance you'll reach for again and again.
Smells nice.
Oh, you can smell the fruity.
It does smell fruity, and it's not like overpowering. It's
Yeah.
nice. Is this because one thing about commodity, it has different strengths, and
This one is.
this one isn't expressive. So this is one of the more stronger scents. I like it. It does. It's nice. It's fruity.
But it's not overpowering.
It doesn't hit you
But
in the
it
face.
But it doesn't smell like.
When you say fruity, you almost feel like you're in a produce store. It's not that kind of fruity.
Right.
It's a really nice fruity.
It's a nice scent. Oh goodness. I'm glad I got this.
You guys, we've been finding more perfumes that we can wear. I know I've mentioned this in a video I just did, but Krista's really sensitive to a lot of different fragrances. So even if I can wear it, she may not be able to stand to be around me if I'm wearing it. So we have to get stuff that I have to wear perfumes that I like, but she can stand to be around, and she has to get perfumes that the same. So if we can find one that we both like, we don't usually wear the same perfumes, but at least we know that it will stay in the house and not have to go away.
I
Nice.
like it. It's a nice, like, fresh, everyday.
It is nice. It does actually smell fresh. It's
Yeah.
nice. My last item is from Lovecraft Beauty, and this is a gel line eye pencil.
Ooh, I like
And
this.
this is the full size, and this is $18. It says it's perfect for creating subtle looks or a statement eye. Sorry, the dog is barking. This ultra creamy gel pencil glides on without pulling or tugging for easy use. So Lovecraft Beauty eye pencil. I did get a full size product, so that's cool. And the brush is always considered full size.
Yeah.
We had to pause for a minute. The dog wouldn't stop barking. But I wanted to swatch this Lovecraft eyeliner with you. And I also wanted to see if it was a twist up. And it is not. It's a sharpenable. But let's see if it does go on smoothly without tugging. Oh, it's smooth as butter. That's amazing. Yeah,
Can you make
like
it darker?
barely touch it. And you can, let's see if you can make it darker.
So, yeah, you can go lighter, dark.
Yeah. And it's really, really creamy. This is not a straight up black. This is almost like a dark taupe. So you see how the end of it is that color?
More
That's what
charcoal
color
black
it is.
instead of black.
It's nice. It's like a dark, dark, dark gray.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Now we have add-ons. I actually totally forgot. I added on one of those perfumes when Krista was talking about hers, and I was looking at my eyes like, oh, I got one too. So we both have one of the commodity juice perfumes. So since she already sampled hers, I won't pull that out. But we each got a little purse size. I also added an Amika product, and these are all, were these all $3.50?
I think these were all $3.50.
I think these were all $3.50. These two might be $6 ones. I will double check, and I'll put in the corner how much I paid for them. But this is the Amika Bust Your Brass Intense Repair Mask. So a nice hair mask. You know me and hair mask. I'm always in search of the perfect one, and I did get another one of my favorite one in a recent box. Another thing I added was a Tatcha, and this is a Hinoki body wash.
Oh, let's smell it.
Ooh, it smells nice.
Oh, it's nice. It's light, but pretty.
It is nice.
So I might have to order me one now.
And I did order a little tub of Tatcha as well. Similar, it's a different one than Krista didn't get last month, and I didn't get it this month. But she did contact customer service, and they gave her a credit back on her account for that amount. So I'll have to do the same thing. My last add-on, and I'm really sure this one was a $3.50 add-on.
That one was.
Is Krista picked it, so this is hers. But I'll show you. Every now and then we'll add on each other's accounts, but this one is a berry-colored lipstick.
That's why I picked it.
I'm gonna let Krista swatch it since it's for her skin tone. She can.
Yeah.
I can wear a berry one, but she wears berry better.
Oh, look at that pretty
It's
color.
pretty.
Oh,
that would look pretty with that color shirt you're wearing today.
yes. So I've been wanting to try one of these. I thought I had one. If I did, I lost it before I could
They're
try
small.
it.
They're easy
They're
to
small,
lose.
so I wanted to make sure I got one and to see how I like them before I buy a full size. But I love that color. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
That
And
is.
oh, that is nice.
So
oh,
we got great stuff in these boxes.
we did.
I'm gonna have to say for my favorite product, I'm gonna try to stick with what came with my Ipsy bag.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Where's my this? Not this.
That did.
That. Ooh, okay. My favorite thing is gonna be the Fenty lipstick.
Lip gloss.
The lip gloss, yeah. So this one is my favorite of my Ipsy bag stuff. What was your favorite?
My favorite is the Juice Commodity.
Mhm.
That I'm still loving the smell of it.
It just smells really
It
nice.
it's got to add to my collection of things that I'm finding that I can wear. And
Which
so
is
I have,
astonishing that there's a collection of things
exactly.
you can wear.
Because there was a long time ago when we didn't have
Yeah.
hardly any. And so now I get the purse sizes a lot. So that way.
She'll get choked up and not be able to speak if she gets around a fragrance she can't handle. We went to a ballet once and she had to go to the back of the auditorium because she was sitting next to somebody that had a perfume she couldn't be, and she was choking up and interrupting the ballet. So it's a pretty significant situation when she's in the wrong perfume. So to find so many nice ones, it's
Yes.
just been nice.
It has been.
Okay, great.
Woohoo!
My favorite add-on though
Go
is going to
Ipsy.
be my juice. So,
Yeah. I mean.
yeah, Ipsy delivered. Ipsy showed up today. That's
I
really good.
did. This is a good bag, and I love the bag.
Yes,
I will be
these are
using
beautiful.
these. And
I like the
you
front
can-
zip.
It has a nice handle.
Yes.
Yeah.
You could use this for a little run around clutch
Yeah,
bag.
going
It's big
yard
enough for your
selling,
purse.
going out Saturday, throwing your
Yeah.
phone,
You can stick
keys,
it on.
card, cash,
And
whatever.
nobody's going to get that off your arm, I promise.
Yeah.
A nice one. Well, thank you guys for joining us. This was
Thank
fun.
you.
I think we had a tie on whose actual bags were better. The products were pretty similar.
Yeah, I think they were.
Yeah, so we'll call it a draw.
Sorry, people, that is smelling.
It really does smell good.
And it's drying down to a soft, powdery
Mm-hmm.
scent, too. So it's, okay.
It's
no,
nice.
enough about it.
It smells nice. But I want to thank you guys for joining us going through these bags today. We had a great time. I hope you did too. Thank you so much for joining us on Beth Unboxes. And from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.